Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef Xacuti. This traditional Goan curry is celebrated for its intricate flavors and aromatic spices. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you create an authentic and delicious dish. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece that will impress everyone at your table. This recipe yields enough for about 6 to 8 servings. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of beef, cut into 2-inch cubes, which provides a substantial bite. For the rich masala, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut is crucial. Our spice blend includes 8 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin, forming the aromatic heart of this dish. Also, have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste ready. The heart of any Xacuti lies in its masala. First, gently roast your whole spices, like the 8 dried red chilies and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, until they release their beautiful aroma. This step is vital for developing deep, complex flavors. Then, grind these roasted spices with the 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a splash of vinegar to form a smooth, rich paste. This paste is the soul of your curry. Now, let's bring it all together. Begin by browning your 1 kilogram of beef cubes in a large pot until they are nicely sealed. Next, add the aromatic Xacuti masala paste and sauté it with the beef for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Pour in enough water to cover, then simmer the curry slowly for approximately 1 hour or until the beef is wonderfully tender. Serve this delicious dish hot, garnished with fresh coriander leaves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.